The people of Firenze are proud, passionate and bold. ACF Fiorentina embodies the spirit with fierce and fearless play, achieving many victories and carving the city's identity on the field.
Viola Park is a multifunctional football campus that integrates all the facilities needed for football.
DVM S2 is an ideal solution for multifunctional spaces with diverse purposes like here. It provides powerful cooling for high intensity training zones, uniform temperature for offices, immediate cooling for meeting rooms and individualized control in accommodations. Furthermore, DVM S2 can be connected to a hydro unit to provide hot water for shower and ultra-cold water for cryotherapy pools to aid quick recovery. All of these are made possible by DVM S2.
Viola Park is made up of 12 low-rise buildings that blend into Florence natural surroundings with curved rooftops that follow the landscape flow. To maintain this architectural philosophy, HVAC equipments were also designed to blend seamlessly into the environment. Leveraging the advantage of a modular system, DVM S2 units were installed in a distributed manner across each building to minimize visibility.
To support players' development and provide an enjoyable experience for our fans, we strive to maintain the ideal environment.
Versatile climate control, flexible installation and its expandability. We are confident that Samsung DVM S2 is the ideal HVAC solution for this kind of complex sports facilities.